I like potato in the pancakes, and what could be better to have it together? So today we're going to be making Korean potato pancake. Start with peeling a few potatoes. In some recipes I found that you may leave that peel if it's very thin, but I decided to clean it anyway. Then we need to grate the potato and onion, and it's also possible to use a blender or an old body like a kitchen knife. Your call. Alright, here might be the most important step. We have to squeeze all of the water out of the veg, and you can do this in two ways, either with a cheesecloth or regular sieve. Then seasoning, salt, pepper, and starch. Remember, simplicity is the key here. And by the way, no worries if you don't have starch. We've got it here, right on the bottom of the bowl. Prepare a paper towel to absorb extra oil for later. Wrap the spoon size and shift the edges at once you put in the frying pan. I go with not the huge ones. If you want, no problem, make it bigger. Fry until the golden brown. It took me 2-3 minutes each side. And finally, the best way to serve it with a simple sauce. All we need is soy sauce, vinegar, water, and a bit of sugar to balance, and sesame seeds in the end. Time to try. Crispy outside and tender inside. Yum.